Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 92 right here. That's a big black box. Not sure what this is. Maybe a battery box or something? I'm not sure. Let's crack it open. Let's see what we got. All right, here are the parts we get with this issue. We have a battery box cover, the battery box itself, a battery tester and charger, as well as a USB charging cable. There's actually nothing to do in this issue. So, I mean, just show it off. I mean, this is actually kind of heavy, and it's nice that we finally got the power supply here. They also detail out the kinds of batteries you'll need, which are these lithium-ion batteries, 3.7 volt, if I'm not mistaken, 2600 milliamp hours, though it'll work with anything above 2000. I hear online that anything between 2800 and 3000 is actually the best. They do have to be button top, not flat top, and the type number is 18650. Now, this is going to be very useful. I can't use it yet because my batteries haven't arrived. They were supposed to be here a few days ago. They haven't shown up yet. Hopefully they'll arrive before this video is edited and uploaded. But basically you just plug the battery in there, and then you take a look at the readout, and it will tell you the voltage. And if it's anything less than, if it's 3.3 or less, then you need to get rid of it. But that really is all there is to do in this issue. And as it turns out, the batteries actually did arrive in time to show you. So we can take this device right here, and just like every other battery, it's got a positive and a negative side to it. So make sure that you've oriented the battery properly. You shove it in here and take a look. Now this is supposed to be like 3.7. These are actually 3.7 batteries, but for whatever reason, they're coming at us 3.9. I'm perfectly fine with that. As long as it's not below 3.3, you should be okay. Now, it is hard to get them out sometimes, but you want to make sure that you test each and every one of your batteries before you put them in. Now, the good news is it's actually got a port. I'm not even sure where. But you can plug the USB cable into it and then use it to charge these. But I just used the charger that came with the batteries, so we should be fine. And remember, R2 takes 6 of them. Well, you know, after the last one, this was a little bit disappointing, having gotten so much done on R2's body, and then we have absolutely nothing to do this week. But I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.